Hi, I'm Dr. Petty. I'm with Carolina Chiropractic, and I'm here with a client today who has never been to the chiropractor before, who is a CrossFitter as well as a bartender, and is having some aches and pains that she's going to tell you about. No, I want you to do that. That's great. And then we'll kind of go from there, and I'm going to adjust her later on in the video.
Okay. Yeah. I've been athletic my whole life, so neck, shoulder, stuff like that, a lot of movement from softball, basketball, gymnastics. And then since I've been doing CrossFit for the past couple of years, putting heavy weight on my body and over my head. So sometimes I feel like I'm just gonna turn into like a little munchkin because, squishing me. But like hips, lower back, stuff like that tend to hurt a lot.
Okay.
But yeah, I guess my head's not always on straight, like you said. So
So we've actually already done her exam, and I actually took a neck x-ray. And that's what she's talking about is there was a little canter, and so I jokingly teased her and said her head wasn't on straight. She can now have an excuse for acting silly, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the first thing that I'm going to adjust is I'm going to adjust your right shoulder. So you played a lot of softball growing up. Turn to face that way. You were a right-hander, so you threw, as well as you played other sports as well, but typically that throwing sport is more of your shoulder mechanism injuries, such. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your arm right here. You're going to drop it down like that. I'm going to pull it right here, and I'm going to pull back, okay? Just relax for me right here, nice and easy.
Never tell a woman to relax. Oh!
How'd that feel?
I mean, yeah,
Okay, it's a little different, it's a little weird.
Yeah, I've never felt that kind of crap before.
How's that feel motion-wise?
I'm a new person.
A new person? You don't have to, don't sell it too crazy, but, alright, relax here. I know this side isn't as tender, but just relax, right? Good. See? Yeah, just a little bit in that side. Alright, let me have you on your stomach. Do you mind taking your glasses off?
I can do that.
Alright, that popping that you hear is called a cavitation. It's a gas release into the joint. So we're just going to do a little simple leg check, checking to see how everything is moving, okay? You alright? Lots of tension in there. You said you haven't had a massage in a while, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's been a little while. So what you're going to do is real simple, real easy. You're going to breathe in deep, you're going to let it out. We're going to push in here and you'll feel it pop again like the shoulder did. Again, that's called a cavitation. It's a gas release in the joint. Breathe in and all the way out. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. All right. Breathe in again and all the way out. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. And kind of follow you in, just kind of a little, right? Good. You're tensing up a little bit. A little nervous or what?
No, I just told you I tense when I'm expecting it.
Okay, all right, so you want me to do it when you're not expecting it, is what you're saying. Okay, all right, I can do that.
The best kind of prize is a surprise.
Okay. All right, relax for me. You're fine. No, don't worry about breathing. I'm going to follow you breathing. Good. You okay? Good. All right, so her right SI is locked up. I can push here and you don't feel it move much, and then I push this side and you can kind of see it move a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to just slide you down a little bit to the drop piece. This is going to come out, and then we're going to drop down like that. Okay? All right. It sounds worse than it is, okay? I haven't even done anything with getting it. Right like that. Okay. Good. You okay? Good. Not on your side facing me. I'm over here on this side. Alright, you may want to come closer, see your things and whatnot. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring your legs right here. I'm going to put a little impulse there, okay? I'm just going to bring the shoulder through. You're nice and relaxed, nice and easy.
Oh,
How'd that feel?
It felt good.
Good. Roll to the other side for me.
Oh, God.
Alright. Good, bring this up. Nice and easy here. Relax, right? Yeah.
I don't know why it makes me laugh so much.
That's That's okay. That's okay. Honestly, for a first-time response, that's fairly normal.
That one felt weird.
Yeah? Okay.
All right, what's next?
Painful or no?
I mean, kind
A
of.
little uncomfortable,
but like,
but
yeah.
good at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Weird. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this leg. Okay.
Then don't
I'm gonna
pull my leg.
Gonna keep it nice and loose. I know. You can tell everyone I was pulling your leg. All right. Hang on to the side of the table if you don't mind. Good. Actually, put your hands here. That way you don't slide. You don't weigh enough that I can't jerk you so much. And so what we want to do is keep that leg loose right there, and I'm gonna pull down like this. Okay. Nice and easy. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Man, laughter is the best medicine,
That's
right?
right, you know? Alright, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cross your arms real tight. Okay? And then Christina, I want you to come in a little close if you don't mind. Alright. Breathe in and out. Good. You okay? Alright, you can tell me the truth. Like if it,
No,
if it
I
hurts
told you,
or-
I literally like,
You told
even
me you were
getting
gonna make
massage,
noises.
I make noises, and it's like, I worry that my massage therapist thinks I'm some kind of freak or something.
It's okay. I will be honest with you. I treat a lot of massage therapists and talk back and forth with them all the time.
Oh,
It's
I'm sure you had some more
totally normal to make a lot of noise, especially the first time, because you don't know what you're expecting. You know?
See, and I've been told to be quiet my whole life. It's finally.
No, we're not. Find your voice. No, I'm just,
There you go.
but, so we're just gonna do a little tension relief up here. You feel all that in the neck? Okay.
Oh, I love it when they always like pull on your head.
You talking about in the videos or whatnot?
No, in the massage.
Oh, okay. When they
Like
do a little
pull-
long axis
they-
distraction. Yeah.
I'm like, can you just yank it off?
How's that feel? Good?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, nice little stretch there. And then what we're gonna do is gonna bring the head here and stretch.
Oh my goodness.
You okay?
Uh-huh.
Good.
It's just tight.
Alright, come in close. Alright, and just relax right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring your head here and we're gonna put a little impulse there, okay?
Okay.
Just relax right there, nice and easy. So that one will be the loudest because it's closest to the ears.
Oh my
And
god.
sound travels better through a solid than it does through air.
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's.
Did it hurt?
It was like better than sex.
Literally not the first time I've heard that.
It's
Yeah, it's
Ooh.
nice, right?
yeah.
So-
I'm just letting you know. Usually
Okay.
swear words are coming out.
Alright. And I do apologize, I was playing with some glue with my kids, and so I have a little bit of glue. I've washed my hands and it just won't come off all if you feel it stick on you at all.
I am rubber, you're glue. Whatever
Yep.
you say bounces off me. 6 to you.
Sure. Alright, just relax. Come in close.
Okay, now you tell me to relax. I'm
I
all
know,
getting
right?
tight
You're
up and
fine.
everything.
You're fine. That's true. Wiggle your toes for me.
I hope it's up to work we go. Ooh, hey, what's up?
How'd that feel?
Yeah, it was,
Tender, painful, good,
I
bad?
mean, it like,
Different?
it felt cracked over here, it kind of hurt over here, but like,
That's okay. Remember how I was showing you how your C1 was tilted
Yeah.
and everything else? That's what I was moving back. So the first time I did C2, C3, and then the second time, and C1, I won't lie to you, is just a little tender typically, like you say, when you adjust it. But it clears the head and feels better afterwards, kind of thing. It's like pulling a splinter out where you're like, oh, that feels better, kind of thing.
it hurts so good.
Okay, good. Stand up, never mind, tell me how you feel.
I feel like a scarecrow.
Like a scarecrow? Because you're all loose and limber?
Man. Yeah.
Good?
Uh-huh.
Alright, thank you. Subscribe for more videos like this.